Good morning, students. Now let us learn the subtraction. In subtraction, we are going to learn how to subtract two numbers and how to find the difference between two numbers. Let's watch this video.
Subtraction facts: how to subtract 3-digit number, how to regroup while subtracting, examples, word problem, and in the end, I'll provide you a worksheet to practice upon. Let's start learning some subtraction facts. First fact is, when 0 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the number itself. Or we can say, when nothing is subtracted from the number, the difference remains same. For example, 25 minus 0 equals to 25. Second fact is, when 1 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the number before. For example, 25 minus 1 equals to 24, where 24 is also the predecessor to number 25. Next fact is, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. For example, 25 minus 25 equals to 0. Now let's revise these facts through some exercise. 45 minus 45 equals to 0, because we know when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. Next is 52 minus 1 equals to 51, because when 1 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the number before. Dash minus 28 equals to 1. Here the answer is 29. Based on the fact, when 1 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the number before. 64 minus dash equals to 0. Answer is 64, because we know when a number is subtracted from itself, then the difference is always 0. 99 minus 0 equals to 99, because when 0 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the number itself. Last is 67 minus dash equals to 67. Answer is 0, because when 0 is subtracted from the number, the difference remains same, that is, the difference is the number itself. Let's learn subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Example is to subtract 114 from 125. First, arrange the numbers in column form. Now, subtract the digits at ones place. 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Digits at tens place. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. And digit at hundreds place. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So, our answer is 11. Let's learn subtraction with regrouping at tens place. Students, it's a very important topic, so please listen carefully. Example is to find the difference between 336 and 117. So first, let's write the numbers in column form. Subtract the digits at ones place. But as we can see, 7 cannot be subtracted from 6 ones. Therefore, we need to regroup 3 tens into 2 tens and 16 ones. Let me tell you a story to understand regrouping method in a simple way. Since 6 is weaker than 7, it will take the help of its neighbor, which is 3 at tens place. 3 is a good and kind-hearted neighbor. It gives 1 of its power to 6. Therefore, 3 becomes 2 and 6 becomes 16. Now we can easily subtract 7 from 16, which is 9. Moving forward to tens place, 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Then hundreds place, 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So our answer is 219. Similarly, let's learn subtraction with regrouping at hundreds place. Question is to find the difference between 181 and 455. First, arrange the numbers in column form. Start subtracting the digits at ones place. 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Now moving forward to digits at tens place. But as we can see, 8 cannot be subtracted from 5, so regroup 4 hundreds into 3 hundreds and 15 tens. Let's understand this example with the same story. Since 5 is weaker than 8, it takes the help of its neighbor, which is 4 at hundreds place. 4 is a good and kind-hearted neighbor. It gives one of its power to 5. Therefore, 4 becomes 3 and 5 becomes 15. Now we can easily subtract 8 from 15, which is 7. Now digits at hundreds place, 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So our answer is 274. Now let's learn the subtraction when there is a need to regroup twice. Question is to find the difference between 163 and 741. First, arrange the numbers in column form and start subtracting the digits at ones place. But as we can see, 3 cannot be subtracted from 1, so regroup 4 tens into 3 tens and 11 ones. In simple words, 1 takes the help of its neighbor 4, therefore 4 becomes 3 and 1 becomes 11. Now we can easily subtract 3 from 11, which is 8. Now we move towards digits at tens place. Again, 3 is weaker than 6, so it takes the help of its neighbor 7. Thus 7 becomes 6 and 3 becomes 13. We'll subtract the digits at tens place. 13 minus 6 equals to 7. Then digits at hundreds place. 6 minus 1 equals to 5. So our answer is 578. Now students, you know all the concepts of subtraction. Let's use those concepts in a word problem. Question is, Tina had 3645 stamps of different countries. She gave 968 stamps to Manish. So, how many stamps are left with Tina? Let's write the given statements. Number of stamps with Tina equals to 3645. Stamps given to Manish equals to 968. As we can see, it's a clear case of subtraction. So, stamps left with Tina equals to 3645 minus 968. Let's solve this. Arrange the numbers in column form. Start subtracting the digits at ones place. But as we can see, 5 is weaker than 8. So 5 takes the help of its neighbor 4. Therefore, 4 becomes 3 and 5 becomes 15. Now we can easily subtract 8 from 15, which is 7. Now subtract digits at tens place. But here also 3 is weaker than 6. So 3 takes the help of 6 at hundreds place. Therefore 6 becomes 5 and 3 at tens place becomes 13. 13 minus 6 equals to 7. Again, digit at hundreds place 5 is weaker than 9. So it takes the help of its neighbor 3 at thousands place. Therefore 3 becomes 2 and 5 becomes 15. So 15 minus 9 equals to 6 and we get 2 at thousands place. So our answer is Tina has 2677 stamps left with her. In the end, I am giving you a worksheet for practice. Students, you will find the answers to this worksheet number 3 in my next video. Question number 1. Write in columns and find the difference between 7000 and 891. Next question is, write in columns and find the difference between 9989 and 1999. Third question is, a box can hold 3650 pencils. There are 872 pencils in the box. How many more pencils can Rohan put in the box? Next question is, there were 67 people in a bus. At stop A, 12 people got off and at stop B, 9 people got off. How many people are still there in the bus? Last question is, there are 52 children in Anita's class. 39 children from this class visited zoo with 2 teachers. How many children did not go to the zoo? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.